How to fix the compressed zip folder is invalid error. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix compressed zip folder is invalid error. The first thing you want to do is open up any web browser. Now search 7-zip, then click on the very first website. Now you want to click on the download option here. Go ahead and click on the download option depending on the system type. So if your PC is 64-bit, you want to select that. Then click on download. Once it has been downloaded, open the folder, right click and select run as administrator. Now follow the on-screen prompts and install 7-zip. Once it has been installed, now go ahead and locate the file, right click on that. Here you will find the option of 7-zip. Go ahead and select that. Now you will find the option of extract. Select that and you will no longer get this issue. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.